How to remove dye from skin using home remedies. You have decided to dye your own hair at home to save some money, and now you have the red shade you have always wanted. But you realize you have the red dye all over your hands and around your hairline. Don't despair. There are several remedies you can try to get out that pesky dye, and precautions you can take to prevent dyed skin the next time you color your hair at home. Number 1. Remove the dye as soon as possible. Once you finish dyeing your hair, you need to act fast to remove any dye on your hands or on your hairline so it does not soak into your skin. Dye that is absorbed into your skin will be very difficult to remove and require a lot of scrubbing. Number 2. Apply baking soda or toothpaste containing baking soda. Baking soda is great at breaking down the dye's active ingredient and is only mildly abrasive. It will act like an all-natural scrub for your hands and for your hairline. However, if you have sensitive skin, only apply a little baking soda mixed with water to your skin and rub slightly. If your skin turns red and or feel irritated, try a different method. You can add lemon juice to the baking soda and water for a more powerful all-natural stain remover. Number 3. Use olive oil, baby oil, or any oil-based moisturizer. Most commercial dyes will break down when you apply oil-based products on them and lift off your skin. Olive oil, baby oil, or any oil-based moisturizer all work well to help remove dye. They are also good options if you have sensitive skin. Dip a cotton ball into the oil and rub it on the dyed area on your skin for several minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Check if the dye is still on your skin. If so, apply the oil-based product again and let it soak for a longer period of time before rubbing and washing off the oil. You can also leave the baby oil or olive oil on your dyed skin overnight. Allow the oil to break down the dye. Place a towel over your pillows so you do not get dye on your pillowcase. Rinse the oil and the dye off in the morning with warm water. Number 4. Combine laundry detergent and dish soap. The properties in laundry detergent will act fast to remove the dye. However, it may be too harsh for the delicate skin on your face. Use unscented dish soap for the skin on your face if you do not have sensitive skin. Place a small amount of detergent on a damp washcloth and rub it on your dyed skin. If you think detergent will be too harsh for your skin, use a small amount of dish soap on damp washcloth to try to rub off the dye on your skin. If you notice any redness or skin irritation, stop using the mixture. Number 5. Try hairspray or vinegar. Both of these options are confirmed home remedies that can remove dye from your skin. Hairsprays and vinegars remove dead skin cells, including dye, and allow fresher skin to appear like an exfoliant. Use a cotton ball to apply small amount of hairspray or vinegar to the stain area. Rub in small circle to remove the dye. Reapply as needed. If you experience irritation or redness from the product, stop using them and try something milder. Number 6. Avoid the harsh products like nail polish remover contains ingredients that can be too harsh on your skin, especially the delicate skin on your face. Instead, use a remedy made for sensitive skin like an oil-based solution.